Hi, I'm Lucas with Gemini Tech, and today I'm going to be talking to you about how to connect your iPad directly to your TV. Here's what you'll need: your iPad, your Lightning to HDMI adapter, your 2.1 amp power brick and lightning cable are optional if you want to charge simultaneously, and finally, an HDMI cord. First, take your Lightning to HDMI adapter and connect your HDMI cable to the HDMI port, like this. Take the other end of the HDMI cable and plug it into the desired HDMI input on your TV. Like this. Then, plug your Lightning to HDMI adapter into the Lightning port on your iPad. Like this. Set your TV to the desired HDMI input. And now, anything you play on your iPad will play on your TV. If you want your session to be full screen, simply tap the full screen button in the top right of any of our videos.
Crab.